This is Abdul Jamal Ibrahim and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to explore about decoders and multiplexers. So let's start with decoders. And for a decoder, we start by bringing in a decoder. This decoder has two inputs and two outputs. Let's modify it by changing this to no. The include enable should be no. And we make this instead of one, we make it. So now we have four outputs and one input. Yes. So let's go. For here, we need four, yeah, four of these. Let me copy it. Copy and paste. So we need four of this. Copy, then we paste it. Yeah, we need four of this. And that's it. So let's connect each output respectively. Yes, we connect this accordingly. Yes, let's go. So we connect this to this. Let's bring in input here. Yes. So let me place it here. Okay. So I connect this to the input of the decoder. So for here we have only one data bit. Yes. So let's modify it to two data bits. Yes, so that we can have an outcome here. So for 0 0, we have an outcome here 1. So let's try for others. For 0 1, we have it for the second place. For 1 1, we have it at the last spot. And for 1 0, we have it here. Yes, 1 1, we have it there. So let's proceed to multiplexers. And for multiplexers, let me clear the screen. I'll start by bringing in four AND gates. Yeah, we bring in four AND gates. Let me copy it, copy and paste to make our work more easier. So we need one OR gate to connect these four AND gates. So for now, this OR gate has five inputs, and because we are connecting four AND gates to it, it needs to have four inputs. The number of input for this OR should be 4. It should be 4. Yes. So we connect each of the outputs to the input of the OR. Yes, to the OR. Each input of the AND gate should be connected to the OR. Yes. And let's proceed. I need more inputs here. So let me test it. 1. Let me copy, sorry, copy, paste. So, sorry, do. That was a mistake. copy and then paste. It need to match, yeah, to make my work very easy. Let me copy this and I'll paste it again for easy. Let me see, to make my work easier and even better. So now we need two more. Control V. Yeah. Okay. Let me place it here. So I need two inverters, an inverter. I need two inverters here. Two inverters here. So right now, let's connect this to every first terminal of the AND gate. We're connecting it to the first terminal. Yes. This, I'm coming. Let me adjust it. I need it to be in a straight line. Yeah. I like it to be in a straight line. We connect it here. Yes. This one too, we connect it. Okay. I need modification here too. Let me shift it a bit so it can be straight. Yes. Although I can try to wave from the straight line and like I'll just branch it, but let me make it straight for simplicity. Yes. So right now we have to make this more, go more with this concept. So let's connect this. Wait, we are connecting this to that uh of this. Sorry, I think I have four terminals for all of the AND gates, which were supposed to be three three inputs. The AND gate should have three inputs. That's why I'm stranded right now. Let me modify it. For now, we have to modify it. So for all of the AND gates, I need to modify it. Each of them have four in four no sorry three inputs. Yes, three. Yes. And now let's go on. Let's go on. So we need to connect this to that and this to that to the input. Yes. So we also need to connect this one, second input, second input to this, and the third one to that. Very clean and clear. So we are left with two inputs here, two inputs there. So for this one, we need to connect this to here and that one to here. Let me just shift it here. Yes. And finally, we have to connect this to this. Yeah, that is the third of the first AND gate, and this one to the second one to complete it. Yes, and that's it. One last thing that we are good to go. Yes, one last thing. Yes, let me connect this. Yeah, so we can see here is zero. All here are zeros. So let me use my selector for zero zero is zero. So let me test for zero one. For zero one, let me test for one, two, three, four. Which one will produce an outcome of one? For this, no outcome. For this, wait. For this, we have an outcome. So for zero one, we got one here. We won't see anything here unless there is a mistake in the multiplexer. So let's try for 1 1. For 1 1, we try for this. For this, no outcome. We didn't get a 1. And for here, we had a 1. Yes. And for 1 0, let's try for that 1 2. 1, no outcome. Another 1, no outcome. Yeah, it works for this one. Yes, this we won't see anything for here. For 0 0, let me try that one again. 1, yeah, we have it here. For the rest, we won't get any results. Yes, and that's it. Let me try for 1 0 for this one. Let me try for here. There's no outcome. No outcome. There is an outcome here. We have 1 for this one. That's why you can see it. So everything is fine. So as you can see for all the possible outcomes, 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0. And now we have come to the end of this whole concept about decoders and multiplexers 1 to 4 multiplex. So thank you for watching. See you next episode. This is Abdul Jamal Ibrahim. Thank you for watching once again. Bye bye.